rack at the gym on the treadmill. Come take this walk with me. You know, people ask me a lot. They say, well, what do I do if my credit already good? Or they tell me that my credit is already good. I'm at a 7 this, a 7 that. So what I say is, let's use that scenario. What if you already got good credit? Or I get you to that place, clean it up, fix it. What do you do next? Some people want to buy a house or a car. That's cool. But if you're a couple and both of y'all credit is right, both of y'all could buy a house apiece. Renovate, rent one out. That pays the mortgage on the other one. Woo. It's light. This light is killing me. Yeah. So what do you do? Once you're in a place where you're able to move like that, then it's time for a business. And what I do after the credit is fixed or clean, I come in like John Q. Sick help. Sick help. So let's go through some things. On the business funding side, is a paydex score. You need a score of 100. The rating is from 0 to 100. I'm about at like an 80, something like that. And with that, along with you already at let's say 680, 700, 720. That's the mark. That's good. That's good. What all they look at? Oh, you're just gonna PG yourself. It's just that simple. You PG yourself, meaning that you take all the responsibility on your business. Yeah. You want to be covered by LLC, but that's if somebody else sues you or some mishap with never your business, you know. And that's for another blog. But the things they check out, the banks or private lenders, they check out your credit, your payment history, how much you owe, how long you've been in credit, your credit mix, and how much new credit you have. New credit is new credit cards, inquiries, new installments. Credit mix is your car, other credit cards, everything got to do with credit cards. The debt you owe from those credit cards. And do you pay them on time? Do you have any late? All that counts. And then you have your hush money. Shh money. Medical bills. That time you was in the emergency room, they sent you a bill. It was like $700. Yeah, you forgot about it. Student loans. You get those off. Repossession. Car got repossession. We pulled in 2007. It's still on there. Just get it off. Once all that clean up, and you PGing yourself, then you have the chance to start building a strategy. Put the strategy together. We did all this work on credit, so we're going to use it properly. And one of the strategies that I use and that I know can help people is target where you want to go. If you know that your bank go from TransUnion, we going to get the TransUnion where it needs to be. Or we're going to attack TransUnion. You know what I mean? We're not going to go to where you have a lower credit score and just won't match. So the strategy is to know what bank you're going to, where they pull from, and how to qualify. Like I said, you're PGing yourself, so you're good. Got a business score of 80, and then you have a credit score of a 680, 700, 720. So then it goes to, you can use both of them, but you build this relationship with your bank. You really don't know these private users just yet, but that's where I come in. I connect the funding after you get your credit clean. Yeah. So clean it up before. And let's talk about the difference between private lenders and just regular old traditional banks. On the private side, you're going to have lower payments on whatever amount you qualify for, and a lower interest rate versus the bank. Now the bank is good, but they're going to want their money the next month on time, as soon as you take out the loan, or they give you the loan. On the private side, the interest on the payback is very, very low. It's not as high as on the traditional side. You don't need to show no revenue. You just started the business. You ain't make not $1 on it. You know what I mean? So you don't have to even show any revenue. All you do have your LLC, EIN, business bank account hooked up, and you good. You know, I just like to talk about it. You know, I find it amazing how this stuff works. So I just want to use the chance, opportunity to be able to leverage it myself. You know. So the banks want their money immediately, and the private lenders is a little bit more lenient. What I mean by that is that whatever terms and agreement that you guys work out, you probably won't have you will probably have zero interest on the first couple of months. You know what I mean? So you're saying if you get something for $25,000 and the payments on that $25,000 is $700 a month, it's a no-brainer. If I give you $25,000 until you give me $700 a month back on it, you can take that to the sky. You can build your business. You know what I mean? You can get all the equipment you need, whatever big idea you might have, you know, all that. You could do it just by PGing yourself, because they're gonna look over there anyway. They don't have nothing else to go off but your credit report and your credit score. So they're gonna look over there anyway. You know? So y'all hit me up. Let's talk about some things. A lot of people have been messaging me, and so I figured that I'll just give some game. Give some game. I wanted this one to be shorter than the last one, and that's cool. You know? So, quick recap. Understand the industry you want to go in. Get your LLC. Know what bank you want to go to. Know where they pull from, so your credit score could be right for it. Get the proper funding from a private funder or any one of these big banks. And take that and see what you can do with it, man. There's another one. Another one, man. Street Cred Saturday on the treadmill. All right.